Hey Gothru community, in this video we'll guide you through using the Virtual Tour Assistant plugin to create immersive and interactive virtual tours. This feature is exclusively available for agency accounts. This tool enhances your tours with engaging interactivity, perfect for large-scale projects. Think of the Virtual Tour Assistant as your personal guide. It helps you organize content into categories and subcategories, similar to a side menu. For example, in a university tour, you can have a main section for each faculty or department, and within each section you can add individual rooms, labs, or classrooms as submenus. This structure allows for easy navigation and helps visitors explore different areas efficiently. Let's start by adding the Virtual Tour Assistant plugin. Click the plus icon or press the A key on your keyboard to open the plugin manager. Then select the Virtual Tour Assistant. The plugin will appear along with its settings on the right panel, featuring sections for content, appearance, colors, and styles. Navigate to the content section, then access list to add the first content for the assistant to the active panorama. We can add brief faculty info in the description tab under each menu. For example, let's add the Faculty of Computer Science as our main menu item. Next, add the description. For the assistant video, we'll use the presets provided by Gothru itself. Gothru offers a wide range of options for video presets. You can select a character, and there are plenty of gestures available that are perfectly suited for presenting your virtual tour. Now we will add a sub-menu to the main menu. First, we need to go to the panorama that will be added. In the List Elements tab, click Add Active Panel. Let's name this room AI Innovation Lab. Click the Settings icon to add title, description, and content. To make it more engaging, let's also add audio. You can generate high-quality audio using AI voice tools like 11labs.io and upload it to the Asset Manager.
AI Innovation Lab, advanced tools for AI research and development.
Don't forget to add the virtual assistant video. Continue this process for the next few rooms. Each panel visited will include a checkpoint that acts as a control bar, showing which areas have been visited and which haven't. The checkpoint turns green once the panel is visited. Your assistant's appearance can be customized to align with your branding. Adjust layouts in Appearance. You can adjust the position of the Virtual Assistant menu in the Area tab, and the List Area position in the List Area tab. You can also easily resize your Virtual Assistant character to suit your preferences. Select colors or gradients in colors. You can easily customize your virtual assistant by changing the background color and even the text color to suit your style. And tweak styles using custom CSS in the Styles section. These tools let you craft a unique and engaging experience. Once everything is set, save your changes and reload the editor to test your tour. Ensure audio and video play automatically and all navigation elements function as expected.
AI Innovation Lab, advanced tools for AI research and development. Cybersecurity Command Center simulates cyber attacks for hands-on training. Virtual Reality Studio develops VR/AR projects with cutting-edge technology.
The virtual tour assistant supports multiple languages for text, audio, and video, making it accessible to a global audience. Your tours are optimized for mobile devices, ensuring a seamless experience no matter how users access them.
AI Innovation Lab, advanced tools for AI research and development.
Your professional virtual tour assistant is now ready to guide visitors. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tutorials and tips from the Gothru 360 channel.